episode of Cooking at Fantasy Kitchen, I'll be making tenderloin. This is a tenderloin, and then we have mixed vegetables that we're going to have. Right here I have garlic and some ginger crushed, and here we have celery consisting of cornstarch, dark soy sauce, and water, warm water. And then here is our cooking oil, and we have white onion. So I'll just transfer it here so that you can see how I'm going to do that in a bit. I hope everyone of you has been doing good and happy to see you back. I'm going to go in with oil, cooking oil. Wow, that's hot, but that's okay. That temperature is okay. So the oil is ready. I don't know if I'm going to do it in 2 portions, but let me just try. I did 4 minutes on both sides, and that's how it looks like. It's quite tender. And now we're going to do the vegetables. I'm going to start with ginger and garlic in the same skillet that I use. Then I'm going to go in with black pepper, heat on the medium low. The onions, so at this point the vegetable is just already. If you want it more tender, you can increase more minutes, but for me this is quite okay. So I'm adding the tenderloin. Then I go in with the slurry. This is consisting of cornstarch, dark soy sauce, and warm water. You can use cold water if you want. Serving salt, so you have to regulate the amount of sugar you want in. And then just like that, the food is ready. The rice is already on this side, well prepared, and we have our tenderloin and vegetables super ready. So I'll just plate because it's usual for me to do a little presentation, and I hope you've enjoyed watching this guys so far. If you haven't subscribed, kindly do. And then I'll lift the plate. Yeah. Like that, that's it. I'm going to use my pasta tongue to take everything. Vegetables and corns. I think that's okay for one person. And that's it, guys. Today I'm not going to have wine or anything alcoholic. I just squeezed myself some fresh juice, orange juice. They're frozen in glass just for the aesthetics. Yeah, maybe some lemon. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. The food looks delicious. This is a 5-star plate. Yeah, and thank you for sticking up, guys. I haven't been around for almost 3 months, and I'm back now, and I'll be filming. I hope to see you soon in my next video. Otherwise, thank you and good night. Cheers. Life is good.